You can.
I'm just glad everybody's here. I'm really glad that all of us are here together. We've never been together, all of us, since the filming of Chainsaw. Well, he's always been very together. But, I mean, we haven't seen all of each other, we haven't seen each other all at the same time for 35 years.
This is a big kick for me because it's been, I guess, almost 35 years. And I feel like Ralph Edwards on This Is Your Life. So I appreciate all you folks because we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you.
And I'm so happy to be here. I have been so excited about coming back to do this. I can't even tell you. Last night I was really trying to go to sleep. I thought this is going to be so much fun. So thanks for being with us. We really appreciate it. And we never expected this at all.
No, it was supposed to be a little drive-in movie that disappeared soon after it was made. And look at this, all these years later. And thank you all very much for having me.
Even Tom Savini is taking our picture.
Thank you.
I'd like to thank you all for being here. It does seem totally incredible to me that this would still be happening so many years later. It's amazing. Who would have thought? But thank you. Thank you very much.
How about a big round of applause for the TCM reunion, guys? Come on, I want to hear from these guys. I think there's another member of the reunion that we missed.
Where's that?
I think Thomas is his name.
Thomas Hewitt?
Thomas Hewitt. Did anybody see Leatherface tonight?
He's right there.
The real Leatherface.
He's right there.
Oh, the character. This is the legendary Leatherface.
The real one.
I don't know, where's Dave at?
Here's a Niagara Falls.
Where's Dave at? Dave told me there was some dude running around or something. Dave, what's up?
Get out of the way.
Get out of the way, everybody get out of the way! Oh, no, it's Leatherface! Oh, no! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Everybody give it up for Leatherface!